Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope all you are doing well at your homes. Dear students, today we are going to learn a startup with Sublime Editor. That how can we go through Sublime Editor. So first of all, you can note down my Gmail and my WhatsApp number as for further query or any difficulty which you may face in this lecture or the lecture we have discussed in previous videos. So let's start with the Sublime Editor. In Sublime Editor, last time we created a folder on the desktop by name web development, and we also created a file. Just we gave the name to a file demo.html. So if you are working on your PC and by chance or unfortunately lights off, and or if you are working on laptop, then battery dead, then what will you do? Either whatever the text you have written in your Sublime Editor, that will be removed or that will be saved. So Sublime Editor provides you a good thing that when your PC is turned off or your laptop is turned off, then whatever the text you have written in the Sublime Editor, that will be in same way, in secure, that is safe in Sublime Editor. I mean, you are not saving the file. So we gave the name of file demo.html. So now today we are going to write down ht as I wrote html. Then in the below I have suggested html. When I will press enter key, then the syntax of html will be on the screen. So here you can see on the very top doc html. What is the function of doc html? Basically, doc stands for document and T for type, and this is a document type, and this is not case sensitive, so you can write down in the small alphabet as well doc type. Here, from here the HTML text starts, and inside the HTML text you can see head and title, body. So in the title you can see you can add like a demo, the name of our file demo. So save it, and then when you will open this file, like a demo file is saved, and then click on this file, double click on this file demo. On the screen you can see the file name is demo. If you are going to rename this file, like I'm going to give the name of this file Mujahid, and then save this file by pressing Ctrl+S, and then go through this file. Now here you can see the demo previous file, because I haven't reloaded this file. When I will reload this file, then I will see, you can see there the name, title name of my web page is Mujahid. So you can give any name, like I am going to give name of the again demo. Whatever the coding we will write, that will be written inside the body. Like give the tag h1 in the Sublime. Just you have to delete to start the tag, then that will be added itself. So here I have give the heading number 1. You can give different headings like h1 to h6. So h1 is the biggest size or highest size of the text, and then h6 is the smallest size of text. So this this is my first program and HTML. So save this file and go through this folder. For reloading this page, either you can click on this one, or you can go through the shortcuts like Ctrl+R. Now see the demo. This is my first program in HTML. Or any other thing like this is Mujahid Hussain. So you can see here this is Mujahid Hussain, and so on. Like I'm going to create any other heading by H2, and I'm going to copy this text Mujahid Hussain. This is Mujahid Hussain. I have pasted here, and then reload. Now you can see the size of the text. Then again come on the next line and write down heading 3. Write down heading 3 H3, then press and then save and reload the page. Again see, this is Mujahid Hussain. The size is going to be reduced. So here heading 4 and like heading 5, paste the name, then last heading 6. So these are the different sizes of the text. So you can see the different sizes like H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and 6. These are the headings. So now when I am going to reload the text, that you can see H1, H2, H3, H4 and 5. So for your information, in the last you can add here H1 and here H2 and here H3, as you can find out the which heading is on which size, with which size. So here you can add heading number 5 and then heading number 6. So just reload this one. Now you can see heading number 1, heading 2, 3, 4 and 5 and last 6. So these are the different size and which heading or in which size you want to work with, so you can add this one. So dear students, is there any query regarding this one? And because today just we have to go through that how can we create a simple file, how can we give the syntax by using create another page one like by name. First of all you are needed to be that you have to give the name of the file like first dot html, then press enter or save this file and write down start tag with html. Then you can see HTML is available, just click on the enter, then syntax will be available. Now here give the title first and go through the folder, click on first, and the very top you can see is the first and nothing inside the folder. The body, whatever on the screen, that will be written on the body. Whatever you are going to write down in the body, that will be appear on the page. So is there any query regarding today's lecture? You can ask me. I have provided my WhatsApp number and my mail. You can mail me, you can contact me anytime. I will respond to you as soon as possible. So stay home, stay safe, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.